Alexa, studio lights. What have you? Oh snap!
Your man hit your phone, wanna make a ride. Swerving in your car, doing make a ride. Almost at the club, baby, make a
What's going on today, YouTube? Thank you for tuning back into the channel. As you can see, I'm pretty excited because the title reads, we have officially hit 300 plus subscribers. 314 to be exact at this very moment. So, I just want to say thank you to everybody that has subscribed, everybody that has commented, everybody that has shared my videos. I appreciate it. I'm racing to 400 now. It's the road to 400. And nothing else to say, but let's get it. So today in this video, I will have something pretty different since it's 300, big 300 video or whatever. So we'll be doing something pretty different. I didn't put it in the title for that reason, but it's a pretty special car. Shout out to my boy for letting me work on his car, because it's a really new car. I appreciate the trust. So without further ado, let me get out of this sick merch and go ahead and get in some dirty clothes. Let's get it. Yep, that's it. As you can see it, we are going to be working on a 2020 Jeep Wrangler. This thing is Wrangler, I said that wrong. This thing is clean with the white interior and everything. The rims on it. This thing is a beauty. We will be putting mods on this thing today. So what we've got today is the side extensions, basically the steps, because this thing is pretty high with the wheels and everything. So we'll be putting the steps on there so be able to get up in there easier. And also, there's some pretty aggressive steps, by the way. And also, we'll be putting a new grille on it, give it a more aggressive look. So without further ado, let's look at the parts. Okay, let's see what we've got on the operating table today. I've opened them up already. We've got our hardware that we need to install it. We've got our brackets. Six brackets in total. 3 for each side, obviously. Some pretty sturdy looking brackets, so hopefully it won't fall when he's stepping up. And then let's go ahead and unwrap the side extensions. So we actually have one that is already unwrapped. That's how they're looking. Let me set this one down. And then I'm going to go ahead and take the other one out. So we've got our side extension steps out. So now here is the grill. I'll cut this open. Got a couple 3M strips. Plastic all over it still. This is the grill. This is clean. So much wrapping. This is clean. Okay, so I've got my socket set, my ratchet, my extension. That's basically all you're really gonna need for this job. So I'm just gonna explain what I'm doing real quick, and then I'm gonna go ahead and slap this thing and knock it out real quick. So these are speed clips. They're gonna go just like this on these holes that are already pre-drilled and open up. Then lock washer and washer on one side, and then I'm gonna do the same thing over here, put those all together. Small ones are going here, here, and here. Actually, here, here, and here. Same thing over here, same thing over there, and then the big ones are gonna go here for the steps, right here in these two slots, so I can adjust it. So let me go ahead and install these clips on the sides, and then I'm just gonna knock this out real quick. Okay, so these right here were pretty easy to install. One bolt back there, these on the front side. However, this one down here was not reaching to this back area, so I decided to install it on the back area. So I'm gonna see how that works out, if it'll line up with everything, and if not, then I'll fix it. But this one installed pretty good, so I'm gonna try to line up the step and see if it's all good. So I put the step on just to see how it'll work out, and let's see if you can see it. Nope. So this one has to go in the front. All of them have to go in the front, and I'm gonna have to make this work, make this fit. So let me go ahead and do that. Alright, so we got one on now. Pretty sturdy. Moves the whole vehicle, so should be good. Other side is a pain. But guess what? We'll go ahead and get that right, and I'll be right back. Well, Side steps were a pain, but like I said, I was gonna do it, and I did it, cause that's what I does. But anywho, I'll see how it looks. Damn, side steps are on, looking good. Good. Now, time for the grill. I'm gonna take real careful with this because this is some expensive stuff. Well, that was definitely easier than the side extensions. So now what I'm gonna do is transfer all over as many of these plastic pieces as possible. Not all of them can go over. Transfer these clips that held it in to the other side, and then go ahead and slap this thing back in. Quick and simple. Alright, that's gonna be it. This is fun, hard, but it was different, and I'm always down for a challenge, so made it happen. Once again, I want to send a shout out to my boy Glenn, aka Juice, my barber, for letting me have this opportunity to produce this content. This is 2020, so I appreciate the trust. And so if you haven't already done so, make sure to like, subscribe, drop a comment, turn on notifications. Let's get on that road to 400. Thank you for 300 subscribers. So I'll catch you guys in the next video, and enjoy this little bit of good looking photo work that I did. Peace.
You